Today I'm reviewing the Family History Research Bundle, a complete printable kit that makes organizing your family tree and records so much easier. This collection includes 4 Generations Family Pedigree Charts, 2 color options. 5 Generations Family Pedigree Charts, 2 color options. Family Group Sheet, up to 17 children. Research Log. Facts and Speculations Printable. Biographical Outline. Holiday Tradition Worksheet. Family Timeline. Important Days Tracker. Family Reunion Plans. Headstone Transcription Sheet. Marriage Record Form. Family Heirloom Record. Ancestor Profile Sheet. Brick Wall Problem Solving Worksheet. If you're serious about documenting your family story, this bundle is a must-have. Thanks for watching, and happy researching!